addicted to you, hooked on your love, like a powerful drug. I can't get enough. I'm addicted to you.
Hello, welcome to E10.Connect, a software company that is dedicated to offering you various software solutions. At E10.Connect, we are solution providers. This is .Connect Super 7 store management software. In case a credit customer that has previously patronized you later come back to pay his credit, there is a way you use the system, the application to pay his credit. And all you need to do is to come to credit sales. On the left panel, locate credit sales. As you can see, you click on it. When you click on it, the window that appears will show you open credit sales. All you just need to do is to click on select customer and select the particular customer. When you select the customer, then you enter the receipt number. Of course, the customer must come with his receipt that you issued the day you made the sale. So you input the receipt number and you click on show receipt. Then you adjust the date appropriately and the toll date. You adjust it appropriately and you click on show receipt. When you click on show receipt, every sale that was made but on that receipt will be displayed. Every item bought on that day regarding the receipt will be displayed. Then you can click on pay after you might have entered the amount the customer or the credit customer is paying. So you click on pay and simple, you've made the payment for that credit sale. So that is how to carry out credit sales payment. I hope you understood all this. Thank you so much for listening. Bye bye.